Welcome to Davis Family Fun.
Welcome to the channel.
Today we will be unboxing a surprise.
Okay, guys, so I got this stuff for them. So they're about to open it. One moment. All right, so now I'm gonna hand it to one of them, and they're gonna open it. So open this, and I'll tell you who gets what. So now we're about to unbox. Are you ready for the shocking? What happened will shock you. Okay, so first thing, give Darian the purple.
Thank you.
Give Xavier the blue.
Yeah. I know what it is.
Okay.
It's your merch.
Open it. Open it. Let's see. Let's see how it look and read what it says.
Living our best kid life.
Living our best kid life.
Okay, turn them around so I can see.
I know what it is.
Okay, so this is Okay, so this is how it looks in white. Okay, that's how it looks in purple. And this is how it looks in the blue. And it says,
Thank you, Mommy. I'm gonna wear this every
living my kid's life. And I bought size medium, so one by one they're gonna put it over. They're gonna put it on so you guys can see how it looks. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so they tried them on. So you could stand up. Stand up. Let's look at it. And this is a size medium. So this is how it looks. Okay, that's how it looks right there. That's the front. Okay, turn around. Well, the back is blank. And I got a size medium. That's the navy. Okay, you can sit. All right, come on. Okay, so this is hers. And I also got size medium. Okay, black writing. Okay, so there it is, and it's cute. The medium fit her well. See, the length is really good. So she's 7, and I got a size medium. So for all you want to order for your kids, and I order Xavier's 9. I ordered a medium, and it fits him well. Also. Okay. Okay, so now this one. This is the white. As you can see, there's multiple colors. So that's the white one. Okay, see how it looks. And this is the medium, and he's 12. And look, it fits perfect. So you really could get medium if your child is from 7 through 12. The medium works. Unless they're really tall, then you probably will go like a large or something. But this is medium. It fits them. And the medium fits them all very well. The length is good. Everything is good. Okay? All right, so this is a close-up. Bless you. So this is a close-up at how it looks, and the length and everything is good. Okay, so do you guys like it?
Yes.
Okay, so that's how it look. Okay.
Bye, Daviscrew. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And make sure to buy a mention link below.
And click in the link below to purchase these items.
Don't buy them unless you're a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Signing off. Bye.
Okay, potato. Hot potato man.